Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. So, I'm here with another recipe of cheesecake, but with the season of autumn, we have so many nice fruits and so many nice flavors. So, I have decided to make this flavor with the homemade lotus cookie. This is also known as a speculoos. So, let's make it. We have all purpose flour, one large egg, and we have mix of spices here. We have cinnamon, clove and nutmeg. Clove is an optional spice. If you don't like, just omit, but I like personally, so I have added here. Okay, so we have three spices here. Now we have salt here, and we have brown sugar, and then we have butter here. Okay, and for measuring the spice, I would highly recommend you to buy this type of weighing scale because it will give you the accurate weighing, even 0.1, 0.5. So invest in this. Let's begin. I have added salt in all purpose flour, and then I will just start mixing my butter. When it starts to be soft, I have added the brown sugar. Now once I see the sugar and butter is mixed, I am going to add egg in it, and then I will scrape the bowl and I will mix again. Once everything is homogeneous, I am going to add all the dry ingredients here and mix it until it achieves a dough. Okay, now we are going to stop this, and I'm going to scrape off everything, and then we will roll it out between the two parchment paper. After rolling it down between the two parchment paper, I'm going to bake this on 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. Okay, you can also save this in the freezer, and here it is. Now I'm just going to crush this and add melted butter. You can see it is forming, and now I'm just going to prepare the base. In my case, I always prefer to prepare the base first, but you can also do the opposite. You can prepare the sides first and then you can prepare the base. Okay, now I'm going to flatten up with a normal tool which is used for piping buttercream flour. So it's known as flour nail. So I'm just going to try to push and stick towards the wall of the ring. Make it as smooth as you can, and after that I will take the help of this flour nail to make it more smoother corners, and even you can use your hand if you are comfortable with it. So after finishing this, I'm going to put this into the fridge for 30 minutes. Let's prepare for cream cheese mixture. We have cream cheese, gelatin mass, whipping cream, lotus biscoff paste, coffee and icing sugar. So first of all, we are going to mix our cream cheese, and then we are going to add our icing sugar and whip it until you see everything is smooth. Okay, now we are going to add lotus paste, and while mixing lotus paste, we are going to add our coffee in it. It's a very easy and delicious recipe, and I'm sure you are going to love it. Now I'm going to add the whipping cream and gelatin mass. I'm using here 1:5 ratio and 200 blooms. Okay, now we are going to mix it until everything comes in smooth condition. Okay, here it is. And now we are going to put this mixture into the base which we set it before. Okay, and try to add everything and then tap it so the air bubbles will remove. Okay, I just try to smooth the top, and then you can put it into the fridge for overnight. Now we are preparing for poached pears. So it's a very simple recipe and it's optional as well. I'm just going to boil the pears with cinnamon and sugar, and I'm going to put one paper on the top so that it will cook evenly, and it will take approximately 30 to 45 minutes. After that you can preserve this in the fridge. And now next day we are going to remove our cheesecake from the ring, and you need any type of heat gun just to warm up the sides of the cake and then slightly push down your ring. Okay, you have to be little careful while doing this. Don't be in rush to make this. And now it's time for decoration. So I'm using pouched pears for decoration and some lotus paste. I'm going to pipe star tip, and I will use also whipping cream a little bit to add colors. So just let me finish this, and then I will pipe little flowers in the middle of lotus paste, and then I will put the pouched pears. It's optional, it's up to you, but believe me, it was really delicious with this. Okay, so I will just add a little bit of crunchy here, and that's it. And now it's my favorite time to enjoy the slice of the cheesecake with my family and friends. I hope you all are liking the videos and you are trying these recipes, because some of the people, they have sent me very good feedback about the recipe, and I would love to listen your feedback as well. You can see the slice of the cheesecake. It's looking really very delicious. How smooth is the texture? And I'm going to show you the close-up. You can see, and my daughter is not able to wait for it, and it's looking very delicious. I'm going to try this. It's really very delicious. It's yummy. So on this note, I'm going to take a leave, and we'll come back soon with another new recipe. Until then, I like to say thank you for all of those who liked my channel and supported me. So once again, thank you. See you. Ciao. Bye bye.